Oh no, what is wrong with Eli? Why is he on the ground? If there's anyone that would help him out. Oh, it's Superman. Hey Dante. Hey Eli. How's your evening going so far?
It's good.
Yeah, what do you guys have to share for us today?
Some stuffed animals.
Oh wow, okay. Well, let's start off with Eli. What do you have on your hand? What is that? What do you say, Dante?
Dinosaur.
Okay. Alright. That's nice. What about you, Dante?
I got orange.
Cool. Alright. That's awesome. So what else do you guys have back there?
What's that? Is that a big giant egg?
Who got that egg?
I don't know. It just appeared. It's
Alright, let's go ahead and put it down and see. Let's see what it is. Who's that? Who's that? Oh. Hola. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Oh, Pokemon. Okay. Dante, what do you have? What do you have to share with us?
giant egg.
Alright, you guys want to go ahead and open it up. But first, for all the viewers out there, we want to thank you for subscribing and liking our video. But
We got lots of eggs. This is yellow. You guys is blue. We got a minion from this Despicable Me drink. We got an M&M. Yeah, Curious George. What's in here?
what colors are those?
This is pink.
Okay. What color is that, Eli?
Orange.
Okay, what other colors do we have there?
Green.
Yeah.
Oh, we have purple. It's a Zoom.
Oh wow, from where?
From the Disney store.
What character is he? What movie is he from?
Moana.
Moana. Is that the pig?
Yeah.
Cool. What about you, Eli? What do you have to share with us? Who's that? How does he do it? Is that Mater?
Yeah.
No, it's a monkey.
This is how mine does it.
Oh, everyone's having a dance. Alright, so what are you guys planning on doing now?
This is green.
Okay.
Yeah, look who's this. It's blue. And that's the ball. This is pink.
Okay. What about the little ones?
This is yellow.
What color is that, Eli? Now, find any. Will you be able to find any candy in there, Eli?
Yeah.
Okay, grab one. You can only have one. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and have one. How do they taste like? You approve?
Yeah, do a robot dance. You like it?
So what do you guys have out there?
Yeah, Pikachu.
Okay. What is his special power?
He has a tail and he can do lightning.
Cool. What about you?
Yeah, a bat.
He fights?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. What else do you guys have?
Olaf. And he's a snowman.
What does he do?
He loves summer.
A fish? What does he do?
Swim? Yeah. He likes fish swims.
What do you guys have? A dog. What does a dog do? Is that how it does it?
Yeah.
But it's facing the floor.
We got a minion.
Cool. Cool, right on. Okay, what does a minion do? What does a minion do, Eli? What else do you guys have out there?
We have these masks.
What was that, Eli? Hulk.
This is my mask. You might know it from the other video that we did, right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
And that's Eli's.
But isn't that kind of the opposite of the comics? You have DC Comics and then you have the Avengers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I'm Hulk and I'm Superman.
That's what I said, yeah.
I'm Hulk and Superman. I can fly.
All right, well, thank you so much for your time. Is there anything you guys want to say?
Yeah. Please subscribe down below and like this video and ring the bell notification so you can see when we make new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.